Good day, sir. Today I'm going to present my midterm project in Business Application Development. The project is titled Parking Slot Reservation System, developed for Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Its main goal is to make the campus parking easier and more efficient. The system allows students, faculty, and staff to reserve parking slot in advance. It also provides real-time slot availability, helping reduce congestion and improving parking management inside the school. System overview. The system serves as a centralized parking hub. It simplifies the process of booking and managing parking slots, ensuring that every users get a smooth experience through its user-friendly interface. Anyone can check available spaces, make reservation, and even cancel or update them before reserve time start. First, we will have the BPMN for users drivers. The BPMN diagram for users or drivers shows the main actions they can perform. First is view available slots. Users can check which parking spaces are open. 2 is create reservation. They can book their preferred slot. Third, update or cancel reservations. Changes or cancellations are allowed only before the reservation starts. And fourth, view reservation history. Users can track their past and upcoming reservation. This process ensures that booking is organized, convenient, and time efficient for drivers. Second, we will have the parking administrator. The parking administrator is responsible for managing the parking slots in the system. Their tasks include: first is creating and updating slot details, making sure slot information is accurate. Next is deleting slots, only allowed when no active reservation exists. Third, viewing reservation history. The admin can monitor all bookings related to each slot. This role keeps the system accurate and updated, which is crucial for smooth operation. And third, we will have the system administrator. The system administrator has three main workflows. First is account management, managing both users and admin accounts, including adding, updating, or deleting them. Second is system configuration, setting system parameters like maximum reservation time and slot limits. And lastly, reservation validation, testing or removing invalid reservation to maintain system reliability. Overall, this ensures that the system remains secure, functional, and efficient. And lastly, we will go to the relationship between the tables. The database relationship show how the system data connects. First, we will have the user to reservation. One user can make many reservations, but each reservation belongs to one user. Second, parking slot to reservation. Each parking slot can have many reservations over time, but each reservation links to one only slot. Third, administrator to reservation. One admin can oversee many reservations, but each reservation is handled by a single admin. And lastly, the administrator to system parameter. An admin can configure multiple parameters, but each parameter is set by one admin. These relationships ensure data integrity and smooth coordination between users, reservation, and administrators. In summary, the CSPC parking slot reservation system is designed to improve parking management within the campus by providing an automated, organized, and real-time reservation platform. It benefits both user and administrator, promoting efficiency, convenience, and effective parking space utilization. And that's all. Thank you po, sir.